Setting the alarm on the Desire X2 is quick and easy. Just follow these steps, and you'll be ready in no time. First, press the alarm button and use the dial to select either Alarm 1 or Alarm 2. Then, press Enter to start the setup. Set the alarm time. Use the dial to choose your time, then press Enter to confirm. Now, set the duration. This is how long the alarm will sound. Once you've chosen, press Enter. Select your alarm source, whether it's a buzzer or your favorite radio station. When you're happy, press Enter. Choose when you want the alarm to be active: once, daily, weekends, or weekdays. Once set, press Enter. Set your preferred alarm volume. Adjust it using the dial, then press Enter. Finally, switch the alarm to on, and press Enter. Alarm saved will appear on the screen, and that's it. Your Desire X2 alarm is now set and ready to use.